Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram does not support image insertion here. So guys, if you want to upload any image on Instagram or want to upload any sticker on comment section and you will find this type of error, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going back, you need to open your settings firstly. And guys, after this you need to scroll down and click on app management. And guys, after this you need to click on app list, and here you need to find Instagram. And guys, after this you need to click on Instagram. And guys, here is the option of permissions. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, make sure that camera, microphone, notifications and must be allowed photos and videos. So guys, when you're clicking on it, so guys, here you can see I have already allowed. So guys, if it is don't allow, then you need to make allow. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And the second method is you need to click on storage and cache. And guys, after this you need to click on clear cache. And after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to update your Instagram. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store in your phone. And guys, here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after searching it you need to click on Instagram, and you will find the option of update here. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I am not showing the update option. So guys, if your app is not updated, then you need to update from here. And after updating, your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to do upload any image on your comment section or any story on reel section. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.